2 into
180 and yes, and minus 2 into 180 is the formula for finding sum of interior angles of any polygon. Okay, and quadrilateral it is 360. What about pentagon? Pentagon, anybody remember that? Sum of angles of a pentagon?
540.
540 it is. Okay, next is we are going to study the about exterior angle property of polygons. Okay, so you may write a heading sum of measures of book, sum of measures of, right? Sum of measures of the exterior angle of a polygon. Measures of the exterior.
And this is the heading, right?
Exterior angle of a polygon. Of a polygon. Exterior of a polygon. Very important and topic, this one. After that, the sum of, right? The sum of the measures of, sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon, external angles of any, underline that, any polygon, is 360 degree for any polygon, whatever be sides, maybe 100, 10, 20, any, for any polygon, the sum of external angles is equal to 360. You just underline. For any polygon, the external sum of external angles is equal to 360. Sum of external angles is equal to 360. Put in a box because it's very important point. Highlight it. Always you keep a different color pen with you, either red pen or a highlighter or a sketch pen, so that whenever I ask you to highlight, you can use the other pen. Okay. If a sketch or highlighter is not with you, you can use a red pen. Okay. So that while you are studying the time of examination, while going through the notes, you can see these important points and important problems also. Okay. Okay. Now we will do some problems. Okay. Before that, Niziyat, what is the sum of external angles of a polygon? Niziyat, sum of external angles of a polygon is what, Niziyat? Niziyat, where is he? Janal?
Yes.
Sum of external angles of a polygon?
360 degree.
Afrin. So what is sum of external angles of a pentagon, Afrin? Afrin.
360 degree.
360 degree. Affins, sum of external angles of an octagon. Affins, repeat it. Sum of external angles of a octagon. Say. 360 degree, correct, for any polygon. Akash, sum of external angles of a octagon.
360 degree.
Sum of external angles of a triangle.
180 degree. 360 degree.
360 degree. For external angles, it is 360 degree. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, question. Write this question. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Figure is this is 110. 110. This is x. This is, and it is, this is 50. Question, find x. How can we find this x? It is a quadrilateral. So sum of exterior for any polygon, sum of exterior angle is
360 degree.
Exterior angle is 360 degree. So we can write x plus 110 plus 50 plus what? Plus 90 equal to 360 degree. So find x.
110.
X equal to 360 minus 250.
110.
110, correct.
Ma'am, 360 minus 250.
250. 110, correct.
110.
Correct. Correct. One more question. Okay, you take page 44. Page 44, question number 1. Page 44, question number 1. Draw the figure. Triangle, a triangle. This is x. All of you draw the figure. 125. Here also 125. Right? Sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360. So 125 plus 125 plus x equal to
110.
It's 110. X equal to 110. Second question. Did I give any homework last period?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
I will send through WhatsApp. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next figure. Pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. The pentagon. Draw that pentagon. Here it is 7D. X. This is 9D. 60.
Ma'am, 50.
50. So write sum of exterior angle. Always write that sentence. Sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360. Then x plus this exterior angle also 90. 90 plus 60 plus again 90 plus 70 equal to 360. X plus how much it is? All this sum 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70.
310.
310.
310. Okay. So x equal to 50 degree. X equal to 50 degree. Fourth question. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon. Very important question, this one. This step. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle is 45 degree. Whose each exterior angle is 45 degree. Given that it is a regular polygon. Regular polygon means all the sides are equal. Okay. All sides are equal and we don't know how many sides are there. But it is given that each exterior angle is 45 degree. Each exterior angle is 45 degree and it is a regular polygon. Okay. So all the angles also equal. And we know that for any polygon, the sum of exterior angle is 360 and one angle is 45 degree. So how can we find?
Ma'am, 360 divided by 45.
45. Very good. 360 divided by 45. So you write sum of exterior angle of polygon is exterior angle of polygon is equal to 360 degree. Measure of one angle is 45. Measure of one angle equal to 45 degree. Therefore, number of sides or number of angles we will find first. Number of angles is equal to 360 by 45 and that will be the number of sides also. Number of angles and number of sides will be equal. Therefore, number of sides.
Ma'am, we can write n equals to, right?
Yes. Number of sides equal to 360 by 45 and it is equal to 8 sides. The polygon has 8 sides, hence it is a
Octagon.
octagon. Hence it is an octagon. The number of sides is 8, hence it is a octagon. Now Next question. Is it over? Is it clear? Any doubt?
Yes. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. If anybody want to explain, I will repeat. Is it clear all of you?
Repeat.
Sure, sure. Okay, listen all of you, listen children. What is given? Given a regular polygon. Regular polygon means all the sides are equal, all angles also are equal. Okay, and it is a polygon, sum of exterior angles is given. Sum of exterior angles. We know that sum of exterior angle for any polygon is 360 degree. And one angle is given. Okay, all the angles are equal. Since it is a regular polygon, all angles are equal, and one angle is given, and it is equal to 45 degree. One angle is 45 degree, and sum of all the angles is 360 degree. So how we will find the number of angles? Number of angles is equal to 360 divided by 45.
40.
And number of angles will be equal to number of sides. So number of sides is equal to 360 by 45, that is 8 sides.
8.
Okay, is it clear? Can I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question.
Will
Next one.
you turn up a little bit? Swipe up. Sorry, down. The before question I can't see.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Find the measure of each exterior angle. Find the measure of each exterior angle. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of side 9. Find the measure of exterior angle find the measure of exterior angle of a polygon with sides of a polygon with the sides 9 sides.
Ma'am, regular polygon, right?
Regular polygon. 9 sides. 9 sides. So how can we find? We have 9 sides. So 9 exterior angles. Sum of all exterior angles are equal since sum of all exterior angles is equal to 360, and all exterior angles are equal because it is a regular polygon. Since it is a regular polygon, all exterior angles are equal, and it has 9 sides, which means there are 9 angles, and sum of the all exterior angles is equal to 360. So how can we find number of measure of one angle?
360 divided by 9.
360 divided by 9. I will explain one second, children. We have 9-sided polygon. 9-sided polygon. So there will be 9 angles, isn't it? 9-sided polygon, 9 angles, and all these 9 angles are equal also. And we know that sum of all exterior angle is 360. When we add these 9 angles, we will get 360, and they are equal also. So getting, suppose x is, let x be one exterior angle. 9x will be equal to 360. X plus 9 sides or 9 angles.
40.
X plus x plus
I'm
x plus.
40.
Okay, wait, don't say the answer in between. I am explaining you. Wait. X plus x plus x plus etc. plus x, 9x's is equal to 9x equal to 360. So x equal to 360 divided by 9, it is 40.
I'm 40.
Okay. So for getting number of sides or number of measure of angle, if number of sides is given, we are asked to find the measure of angle. What do you need to do? 360 divided by number of sides. On the other hand, if one measure of regular polygon angle measure is given, one of the exterior angle is given, suppose we are asked to find sides, then also we need to divide 360 divided by one angle. Is it clear, children? All of you? Both case, we need to divide 360 by either by number of sides to get one measure of one angle, or 360 by angle degree to get sides. Anyway, we need to divide 360 by either by sides to get measure of angle, or by angle to get number of sides. Am I clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here the number of exterior angle of a regular polygon with 9 sides. So we have right, sum of exterior angle is equal to 360. Sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. And it has 9 sides. Number of sides equal to 9. Therefore, measure of one angle. Measure of one angle is 360 divided by 9, 40 degree. We can divide this total sum by number of sides because it is a regular polygon. Only in the case of regular polygon we can divide. Otherwise, angle sum will be 360, but each angles can be different. Only for regular polygons we can divide 360 by sides to get measure of one angle. Otherwise, we can't. Am I clear at this point, all of you? It's very important. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay, sure,
Can you
sure.
repeat those cuts, ma'am?
Okay. Sum of exterior question here, sides are given. Sides are given and it is a regular polygon. For any regular polygon, all the angles, both exterior and interior and all sides are equal. Okay. So we know that sum of exterior angles is 360 and there are 9 sides also. It means there are 9 angles. So for getting measure of one angle is equal to 360 by 9 because all angles are equal. When we add all the angles 9 times, we will get 360. So 360 divided by number of sides will give measure of one angle in the case of regular polygons. On the other hand, if we divide 360 by measure of one angle, we will get what? We will get what? When we divide 360 by measure of one angle, we will get what?
360.
When we divide 360 by one angle, measure of one angle.
Ma'am, 360 itself.
360 itself.
Ma'am, number of sides.
Number of sides. Number of sides. Number of sides. See here 360 is measure. 360 is total measure of exterior angles. Divided by 40 is 9, which is number of sides. So 360 divided by measure of one angle will give number of sides. On the other hand, if 360 divided by number of sides will give what?
Number of angle.
Number of angle.
Angle.
Measure of one angle. Measure of one angle. That also we will write. Then it will be clear to you. We will write that in a box. 1 second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry for the dot, okay? I've made a dot in the board. I was actually muting my audio.
Okay. Okay, we will write that also. 360 divided by measure of one angle. Measure of one angle will give number of sides. On the other hand, 360 divided by number of sides will give what? Measure of one angle. Only for the case of regular polygons. Only for regular polygons. So this is only for regular polygons. Only for regular polygons. 360 divided by measure of one angle gives number of sides, and 360 by number of sides will give measure of one angle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm giving a question. Find measure of one exterior angle with sides 15. Find measure of exterior angle of a regular polygon with the sides 15. Find sides 15.
Ma'am, what is that second word?
Find the measure of exterior angle.
I think you wrote find 2 times.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Ma'am. Measure of one angle. 24, ma'am.
Yes.
Answer 24.
Yes. Measure of one angle is equal to 360 divided by 15, and it is equal to 24. So there are 20. Measure is 24 degree. 24 degree. Now question number 4 in your textbook. Page 44, question number 4.
Ma'am, so are you saying that 360 divided by 15 is 24?
It's not so. 24 into 15 you multiply. Any doubt? 0, 2,
Okay.
4.
Oh, ma'am, not like that.
Okay, is it clear?
Okay, ma'am. Oh, it was 360. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Right, question number 4. How many sides of a regular polygon? Each of its interior angle is 165 degree. Need to write question on the board. All of you having your textbook, no? Huh? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am, we have.
Okay. So write. How many sides of a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is given? Interior angle is 165. If we know the measure of exterior angle, we can easily find using our formula. If interior angle is given, what we will do? In this box, children, please listen to the board 1 second. Only for regular polygon, we wrote 360 by measure of one angle. In bracket, you write exterior angle. Here we are talking about only exterior. Exterior. Here also measure of one angle, which was that it is exterior angle only. So write in bracket exterior. Both angles are exterior, pointing on exterior angles. So write that in bracket. Okay. Now come to this question. Here the measure of interior angle of a regular polygon is given. Measure of interior angle of a regular polygon is given. So what can we do? Measure of interior angle is given. And it is equal to 165. And it is a regular polygon. All its exterior and interior angles will be equal. So interior angle is given. So how can we find exterior angle then? One of the interior angle is 165. So exterior angle will be
340.
340. 360 minus 165.
Suppose
Ma'am,
this
15.
is,
Ma'am, 15.
suppose this is that regular polygon. All sides are equal, and one of the interior angle is 165. So how we will find
Ma'am, 15.
exterior? How it is?
180
linear pair.
180 minus 165. Okay.
Ma'am, linear pair.
Linear pair. Interior angle is 165 for any polygon. Any polygon, if interior angle is given it as 165, its exterior angle will be not sum. We are not dealing with sum. We are just asking if one interior angle is 65, its exterior angle will be what? 180 minus 165. Clear all of you? Okay, Gopika, is it clear? Gopika Shankar? Gopika?
Ma'am, so we do 360 divided by 15.
Yes. Measure of interior angle is 165. Therefore, measure of exterior angle
24.
Measure of exterior angle is 180 minus 165 is equal to 15 degree. So we got measure of exterior angle. Now we can write number of sides. Sides equal to 360 divided by measure of one exterior angle.
24.
That is 360 divided by 50.
$24.
24. There are 24 sides for that polygon. Which is the minimum regular polygon? Minimum regular polygon. What was that shape?
Ma'am, triangle.
Triangle.
Minimum regular polygon.
Ma'am, triangle.
Minimum regular polygon.
Please.
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. Minimum or least polygon is triangle. But my question is minimum regular polygon. It is not, the answer is not just triangle. It is a regular equilateral. Okay, regular polygon. Minimum regular polygon is equilateral triangle. So what will be the, 1 second. So all of you think, So what will be the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. Minimum regular polygon is what?
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle.
Ma'am, is it
Minimum.
60?
Minimum. Yes. Minimum. Yes, listen to my question. Minimum regular polygon is equilateral triangle. So minimum interior angle. Minimum interior angle for a regular polygon.
60.
Am I confusing you?
Ma'am, 60.
Ma'am, 60, ma'am.
60. Okay. I will explain. Minimum regular polygon is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So minimum interior angle for a polygon will be 60 degree. Why? Because equilateral triangle is the minimum polygon and its all angles are 60. That you know, isn't it? For an equilateral triangle, all angles are 60 degree. For an equilateral triangle, all angles are 60. So, and you know that the minimum regular polygon is an equilateral triangle. So my question is, what is the minimum interior angle for a polygon? It will be for a regular polygon. For a regular polygon. So it is 60 because the minimum regular polygon is an equilateral triangle. So its angle is 60. So minimum interior angle for a regular polygon is 60 degree. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can write this. Put a star and write. Minimum regular polygon is equilateral triangle. Draw this small figure also, then it will be very good. Our class is up to 3. I think time is up, isn't it?
3:40.
Ma'am,
So write fast because other children are entering. Write fast. Am I clear? This minimum regular polygon is equilateral triangle, and we know that for each equilateral triangle, the degree measure is 60 interior angles. So minimum interior angles for a regular polygon is 60 degree. Okay, these questions may ask for when you are going for some math quizzes and all. This type of questions may ask. Very simple, but little bit confusing. Minimum interior angle is 60 degree. Minimum regular polygon is equilateral triangle. So minimum interior angle for a regular polygon is 60 degree.
ma'am, time is over.
Yes. Okay, children, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Okay, I will send some